in this video, we're just going to go over the basics of how to get to Canvas and how to log into Canvas. This is an online learning platform that we'll be using throughout the school year. If you're distance learning, then this is the main way you'll interact with your classes. If you are in the school, then your teachers will still probably have you working on assignments and turning in assignments through Canvas. So the first thing is we need to get to the school's website, and this is evergreenjunior.org to be able to get to the school website. And on here, we have a link conveniently right here at the top labeled Canvas. And this will take you to your login screen for Canvas. Now, if you were able to log into your traditional desktop computer, then you used your 9 number as your username. If you logged into your Chromebook, then you had to use your kind of Chromebook or email sign-in. For the username on Canvas, however, you need to use your 9 number. So this is your student ID number that you will be typing into the username field. The staff ones are a little different, so mine is seen here. And the password to get into Canvas is the same as you will use for everything else in the district. You have the same password across all platforms and sign-ins and everything. So username is your 9 number, and then you're going to type in your password. And then once you type in that password correctly, you will be able to log into Canvas. It will show you your courses that you are enrolled in, and you can access them over here on the right-hand side. You'll be able to see different tasks that are assigned for your different courses and when they are due. So that is how you get into Canvas to be able to get your online work done.